Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a fun fruit mani using colors from Risen Legacy and decals from Nails Truly. So the three colors here are Lime Sherbet, Kiwi Burst in the middle, and Walking on Sunshine is that gorgeous bright yellow that glows in the dark. And then we're going to use these fun Hawaii fruit decals from Nails Truly. And then for this mani, we're also going to be using the gel method. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we finished filing and buffing. Now it's time to place these fun decals. So I place my decals a little differently. I use the Maniology sticky base. So Maniology sticky base, it's a nail polish consistency. And what it does is it leaves a tacky layer on your nail when it dries. So it takes 30 seconds to 60 seconds to dry depending on the amount that you put on. During that time, for the dry time, I'll go ahead and place my decals in my little water, and then I'll put the decals on the water so any excess water can absorb. And then once that sticky base is dry, I'll go ahead and use my jelly stamper and look at that, place that decal on that nail, and then I'll gently try and get rid of any water bubbles or lines that I have on there. So as you can see here, I am going in with the sticky base again. So what I like to do is I like to focus on one nail at a time. I just have better results with the sticky base when I apply it on one nail and let it dry and then go right in with the decal versus placing the sticky base on all the nails and then trying to go in with the decal. I just noticed that it's more sticky if I do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching me place these decals, and I'll jump back in a few moments. Alright, so we're going in with a big pineapple here on the thumb. So this pineapple is adorable and I could not stop staring at it. It's probably one of my favorite decals that I've used yet. I say that probably when I use any decal that is my favorite, but I really liked how adorable this pineapple was. So as you can see that the pineapple is a little bit longer than my nail, which is not a problem at all. So what you can do is you can go in with your orange stick and try and remove it. You can also carefully file that area, but I like to go in with some acetone on a little brush, and then what I will do is I will melt that decal right into that cuticle line and it will clean up super nicely. So you just want to be careful that you're not getting too much acetone on the nail. You just need a little bit so you're not smudging that decal. Alright, check out this mani, and how about that glow? Isn't it crazy? The glow is unreal, and Risen Legacy's glow dip powders are no joke. They actually glow all night long. So I'm going in with my Cozy Sloth Cuticle Oil, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think the Nails Truly decals really tied this look together for that fruit collab that I was in, and I thought it was so cute that I just had to share this mani with you all. Also for Nails Truly, I do have a sub bag out right now, and these decals are in there, and I'll link all that information below with my discount code, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!